I'm at Home Depot. Starting this room remodel makeover, and I'm using Closet Made. You know, we all is quarantining right now with this COVID-19, so why not do this? Better time. So this is the system I'm going to get. The Closet Made, the 4 feet to 9 feet. If I'm a little low, I'm sorry, apologize. I have on the face mask, as we all should. So this is the Style Plus edition, and I love it, and it costs $139. They have the cheaper brand, the cheaper one from Closet Made, which is $64. Goowers, I forgot to mention that you have to buy each drawer separately, and I bought 3, and each drawer is $49.99. And also the system, yeah, they have so many different styles you can choose from, but the system only come with 3 rods, and I decided to do 4 hanging rods, so I had to purchase another one, which was $10.99, which wasn't too bad. Now it's time to get the shelves, because it didn't come with extra shelves. This was what I wanted to do, and get the paint, and then we're done. Goowers, I had to buy one of these. I bought this. Goowers, they will cut the wood for you. Just make sure you have the correct measurements. Make sure you have the correct measurements, because they will definitely cut it for you at Home Depot. Goowers, like I told you, inside of Home Depot, this is the Closet Made system I bought, the Style Plus, and this is me after I done took everything out the box, and we're about to get started. See you back in the room. Okay, Goowers, so this is my closet when it's at its worst, okay? When I say it's worse, I mean it's worse. Usually up here is nice and neat. All the bags, as you can see on this side, like all my bags and clutches be very, very nice and neat. Don't ask me what happened. So they're just all over the place. And as the bottom, it's usually very nice and neat. But when I take a bag, I just, yeah, okay? So what I'm about to attempt to do is do this whole closet organization system thingy. I hope it works. So as you see, all my jeans on this side and shirts on this side. A few dresses. I don't have my dresses over here. I already started preparing, making this shelf. It's from Closet Made to go in here. Goowers, look, oh my God. Look how much I did. I clipped this whole bottom out so far. I still have to take this out and the purses out. But I did a good job. Okay, Goowers, I'm sorry. The music was loud, the kids was loud. There was a lot going on. So I'm just gonna do a little voiceover. So I took everything at the bottom of the closet, which was like a big task in itself. So I'm just showing you guys all the stuff that was at the bottom of the closet. This closet really had way too much inside of it. Like, I'm embarrassed. Like, seriously. I'm like, yeah, this is ridiculous. This is everything. Like I told you, the shelves. Yeah, that's my drinky drink. That's all the stuff that's at the bottom. So my candles, lotions, soaps. These are some of the purses that I actually want to display. Okay, now I'm back to the closet. Okay, Goowers, I'm back. This is what it's looking like. I'm even loving just this little simple thing. And my husband screwed these little things on so it could stay attached to the wall. I was gonna paint. I don't feel like it. I'm not sure. I might. So now I just have to wipe it from him doing it to the wall. And that's it. So now I just have to take out the purses. But this rod is pretty easy. You just gotta lift it up. There's an opening right here. So just lift it up and it comes straight out. And you see, is it already off of this? And then once you lift it up, you pull it out. And it's gonna come out. And that's basically it. Then we're gonna take out this screw. Then we're gonna take out this screw. And I might not take this off. I don't know. It depends if I need to. But I'm going to cut, like how we did at the bottom. We just cut this so it can be as close to the wall as possible. Even though we cut, and it's still, we was a little off. That's why it's not touching the wall. If you can see, we pulled off the baseboard, the thing right here. The crown molding, whatever you want to call this, I'm not sure. So that's why the wall look like this. But eventually we will plaster that up and paint it. So it was a little off, like right here. As you can see, it's not against the wall. That's why it's not right here. But I'm still happy. This, guys, look at my room. Look at this. All these clothes. All this. It's just, yes, I can't wait for this process to be over. Goowers, what I'm doing here, I'm just taking off the, unscrewing the little thing that was holding the rod up that the clothes hang on. So that's what I'm doing now, just taking that off so it could be a little flatter. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm just putting some nice spackling paste. I started a little bit on the shirt first, just to make it nice, smooth, and flat. I'm just gonna sand it, and I'm gonna paint it. I wasn't gonna do this, but I just didn't like the way it looked. This is the next part. So this has to dry. Look how good that came out. So it has to dry. Now I have to do this part. And then let that dry. And then I will paint, because look, I wasn't gonna paint, but I don't like the way this looks. So paint it is, and then all these little scratches and scuffs at the top. So yeah guys, I'm finished. So look how much better that looks. So now I have to wait for it to dry, and he will sand it, then I will paint it. Here, Goowers, here I am. Yes, for conditioning my hair, but I'm here making the pre-holes to hang up the clothing rod. Yes, it wasn't that hard. It was pretty simple. Goowers, it is time for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. Doo-doo! Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so pleased with the job that me and my husband did. It came out beautiful. We are great team workers. Yes, we work well together. After 5 trips to Home Depot, 1 trip to Target, 1 trip to Family Dollar, and wherever else I had to go, this is the final result, and I am so happy. So guys, when you do this, make sure you get all your measurements correct. Make sure you don't have to go back and forth to the store maybe 1 or 2 times, and you won't have to be in Home Depot every day like I was. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It wasn't that bad in price. It was okay, but I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, so the price almost reached 400. It was about 390, but that's including the shelf, the extra drawers, the system, the rod, the bracket, the paint brushes. So I think that was pretty much worth it when you calculate everything. But I'm happy with that. That's that. I don't think that's bad. This is the aftermath. So I have to put everything back in the closet. Yes, this is the overwhelming part. Taking it out and now putting it back. But I'm so excited about my new units. Yes. Between me and my husband, we did an awesome job. Yes, yes, yes. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in my next video. It will be organized in this closet now. But thanks again. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.